Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water inlet valve in your washer-dryer combo, you will need to pull the appliance away from the wall to access the rear. Unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the water supply as well. Note the orientation of the hot and cold water supply lines, then detach them from the inlet valve ports. Be prepared for some water to spill. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the lower access panel. Detach the panel and set it aside. Remove the two rear access panel clips. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws so you can detach the access panels. Use a short flathead screwdriver to help detach the spring clips securing the washer's top panel and lid. Pull the top panel forward, then lift up. Use a 5/16" socket or wrench to loosen the water inlet valve plate mounting screw so you can detach the assembly. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the inlet valve, then disconnect them. Use pliers to release the spring clamp to detach the hose. Prepare the new water inlet valve for installation by transferring the mounting plate from the old component to the new one. Now attach the hose and secure it with the spring clamp. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals. Align the mounting plate tab on the outside of the rear panel. Fully reposition the plate. Then tighten the mounting screw. Realign the top panel and lid on the washer and push the panel straight back. Be aware the lid switch wire connector on the panel needs to be fully connected with the receptacle on the frame. Reinsert the two spring clips to secure the panel. Reposition the rear access panels and rethread the screws. Reinsert the access panel clips. Reposition the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. Attach the hot and cold water supply lines to the appropriate valve ports. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.